Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. We're back at the Bentley Continental GT and we're checking out the headliner. So now the headliner looks way different after thorough cleaning of both surfaces. On the backing and on the leather, we were able to get rid of all the residual stuff from the foam, and we reapplied the same leather material. As you can see, it looks beautiful, and it's going to be going in back into the vehicle. Obviously, it is a big job, and we're no stranger to big jobs, so we're looking forward to completing this one and then getting on to the next one. And not every job is a big job. We do small jobs, we do big jobs. So check us out here at AlphaCars, at our service center. You can learn more on alphacars.com. Thank you very much for viewing this video.